Every so often, a car company you have never heard of appears out of nowhere with a product that makes the established players nervous. Lepas is one of those names. It is a brand new brand, part of the giant Chery group from China, and this is its flagship, the L8. The pitch is simple but bold, genuine luxury, the kind of space, equipment, and refinement you would normally pay a premium German badge for, but at a mainstream price. On paper, it looks like a lot of car for the money, so let us take a proper walk around it and see whether the substance matches the ambition. On the outside, the L8 makes a confident first impression. It is a large, handsome family SUV with clean, elegant surfacing and a real sense of presence, the sort of restrained, grown-up design that does not try too hard but looks expensive. Every version rides on big 19-inch diamond-cut alloy wheels, with full LED lighting front and rear, privacy glass, and a large panoramic sunroof. There is nothing gimmicky or overstyled here. Instead, it goes for a calm, premium look that would not seem out of place costing $20,000 more, and that is very much the point. This is a car designed to make you do a double take when you hear the price. But it is inside where the L8 really makes its case and where that luxury for less promise starts to feel real. Slip into the cabin, and you are greeted by a genuinely upmarket environment with a large 13.2-inch central touchscreen, a separate digital driver's display, soft materials, and an airy, spacious feel thanks to that panoramic roof. The equipment list reads like a luxury car's with dual-zone climate, keyless entry and go, remote engine start, wireless phone charging, and wireless smartphone connection all included. It feels rich, modern, and impressively well screwed together for a brand on its very first model. As ever these days, the heavy reliance on the touchscreen for everyday functions takes some getting used to, but the sheer sense of occasion in here, for the money, is hard to argue with. If brand new cars from brands you have never heard of fascinate you, subscribe. There is plenty more coming. And here is where the L8 plays one of its strongest cards: rear space. This is a big car with a long wheelbase, and Lepas has used it brilliantly because the amount of rear legroom on offer is genuinely limousine-like, with close to a meter of space behind the front seats. 3 adults will sit in the back in real comfort, stretch out, and travel long distances without complaint, which is exactly what a family flagship should deliver. Add a big boot behind that, and the L8 becomes a hugely practical, spacious, do-it-all family car. For buyers who value rear seat comfort, perhaps with growing kids or regular passengers, this is one of the most generous cars in its class at any price, let alone this one. Powering all of this is a sophisticated plug-in hybrid system, and it is a clever one. It pairs a turbocharged petrol engine with a strong electric motor and a large battery, and the result is a genuinely usable electric-only range of around 56 miles. That means most daily driving, the commute, the school run, the errands can be done on electricity alone, for pennies. But because there is a petrol engine on board too, there is no range anxiety whatsoever, with a total combined range of around 745 miles on a full tank and a full charge. That is the holy grail for a lot of buyers: cheap, silent electric running for daily use, and effortless long-distance ability for the big trips, with no compromise and no charging stress. It is smooth, refined, and quiet in town, and it is the kind of powertrain that makes a petrol-only rival feel rather old-fashioned. So what is the catch? Because there is always one. The biggest is the simple fact that Lepas is brand new. There is no track record here at all, which means long-term reliability, resale values, and the dealer and servicing experience are complete unknowns. You are taking a leap of faith that an established badge does not ask of you. On top of that, the L8 is tuned firmly for comfort rather than driving thrills, so keen drivers will find it soft and a little uninvolving through corners. Neither is a deal breaker for the target buyer, but they are the honest trade-offs against all that value and space. So, the verdict on the Lepas L8. As a debut product, it is seriously impressive. It delivers genuine space, genuine equipment, and a genuinely clever long-range plug-in hybrid powertrain, all wrapped in a handsome, premium-feeling package for thousands less than the established luxury alternatives. You are betting on an unproven brand, and you are not buying a driver's car, but you are getting an enormous amount of metal, comfort, and technology for your money. If Lepas can back it up with reliability and support, the L8 is proof that the definition of a luxury SUV and who gets to build one is changing fast. It is a hugely promising start.